Welcome back to the channel. A lot's been going on this past week or so. The AccessPort has come out. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I've already installed it and I have tested the Stage 1 93 tune on it. It does feel great. It spools up right away. Instant 3 pounds more, 3 or 4 more PSI, but overall feels really good. Today we're going to be installing the IBR mount to mount the AccessPort. So let's go to the bench and I'll show you that. So over here at the bench, I do have the AccessPort and I do have our IBR vent mount. I did pick this one over the import image one currently. I do like the quality of this one a little bit better. It looks more OEM. I think import image racings, I think theirs looks more 3D printed, and I mean, this just looks just a little bit better build quality, but this does also cost a little bit more. Let me just put it right in. So look like and here. So boom, that's what it will look like when it's all finished. So let's get this stock vent out and we'll get this one put in. So let me get you guys set up and I'll show you what our first step is. All right, so we're going to be replacing this vent with the IBR vent. So step one, we can definitely take this vent out right here. We do have a plastic pry tool right here. So just work your way around the edges and it should just pop right up. One thing to point out, the OEM has this blue clip. So, and the IBR does not. So let's just transfer that clip over real quick. Just like that. Now that we have the IBR mount prepped, let's make sure that we can get the wire ran. So let's take the side trim panels off. So take your trim panel tool. Let's pop these off. So on this piece, I felt it easier to go from the bottom here and then work my way around and then just kind of popped out from there. So let's look at how this wire is going to go. Right, so looking at the mount has like a little clip to hold this in. So that goes in like that. So we need to get this fished up into here, and we need to get this plug down there. So we're going to go from the bottom and fish this up, and we're just going to tuck it right under here. Just like that, we have it all routed through. So I did just go through here, fished it through this little square, and it just tucks real nicely, and you can fish it right through. So let me get it hooked on our mount and clip our mount in. All right, so I just got the AccessPort clipped in. Let's just button it back up. So let's just put this thing back on. Just make sure all these tabs line up. And you hear that nice satisfying click when everything goes in. So now since everything's ran, we can just tie this up underneath and plug this back into our OBD2. And I'll show you guys the startup screen. All right, so we got everything installed. That's how it looks from the driver's seat. I mean, honestly, it looks perfect. It's very close to the glass, so like every time if you were to click the on and off, you probably would touch the glass, but it should have auto on and off, so it should automatically turn on. There's our loading screen, and boom, got a shot of our car. So this is our view right here. I mean, very happy with this IBR mount. I will leave a link in the description below of where I purchased it from. We'll do a more in-depth review about specifically the AccessPort. I have been doing some testing on it. I've been doing some logs with my virtual dyno as well. But we'll go over that stuff in a different video. I'll also go over some of the gauges that I run as well. I am on the Stage 1 93 octane tune. But other than that, that's all I got for you guys on this one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more 2022 WRX content. Let's go.